Okay, so a while back I saw this Casey Neistat video where he was talking about the Insta360, especially about the video. I liked the part where he talked about different kinds of shots.
One is like the regular camera shot. Three is like the flying camera shot with a drone. And then in between regular and drone is this area here which I call weird shots.
And I was like, actually, is it that simple? It is that simple. How you implement shots into your vlogs and B-roll. Now, Casey didn't go into the specifics when he was showing that video and that piece, but I'm gonna go to the specifics and show you how I implemented those things into my vlogging and B-roll. Hey everybody, my name is Timo Varakas. That is a mouthful. If you can't handle it, you can just call me Tim. So straightforward, first off, let's start with the camera shot. I'm starting with the camera shot because you are vlogging, you're probably vlogging, or you're thinking about starting to vlog, and you probably own a camera and you want to get better at using that camera. So let's start with the camera shots. I thought I had a coffee here, just a sec. Nope. Nope. Oh, hey, there you are. Found it. Wasn't surprised that it was in the fridge. Blame my ADD. Fun fact, places like Finland don't have a diagnosis called ADD anymore. They're just different forms of ADHD. Gosh, that's cold. Ooh. That's bad. When shooting with your camera, try shooting with different lenses, different kind of angles, just get creative with it. And you go from this, no, to this. Nope. And it turns out to be more immersive to the viewer than you could ever imagine. You just have to remember that if something feels even a little bit of extra, just cut it out, just delete it, just throw it into the trash. You don't need that there. The brain is a miracle thing, is a brilliant thing that just fills out the blanks to the viewer like this. So you don't need those extra steps if you're shooting your shoes or going from one place to another and you just feel like that is an extra step in your footage. Just cut it out. Just cut it. The first thing that comes to mind when explaining the weird shot is putting the camera somewhere it doesn't belong. Wait, that didn't sound right. Putting the camera somewhere it shouldn't be. Nope, that sounded even more wrong. But you get the point. When you're shooting a weird shot, you are using your camera, you're using a GoPro, you're using a 360 camera, you're using a drone, anything that just is a camera, and just putting it in places to get that shot you want, to get a different kind of shot, you know? So you're putting that camera into a cupboard, you're putting it into a tree. Hey, how's it hanging? You're putting it, I don't know, you just don't put it into the toilet, you know? But anywhere different, you know? Just fling it out of the car. Whoa, that's scary. Just be careful when you're flinging it out of the car. Just don't fling your R5 out of the car. Do it with a GoPro that can handle that shit, or a Insta360 or something like that, because they're really good at that. Just putting it everywhere, anywhere, just to get a different kind of shot. A weird shot. Now the third shot is the drone shot that makes your B-roll look like a cinematic image of the place where you are. Just showing this bird's eye view of the places, top-down view of your car going to places on the road, just driving towards you, driving past you, stuff like that. Just taking these really nice shots from above of the place, of scenery, of events, and just be careful where you fly. Just check out, are you allowed to fly there? These things you always should check out, but the drone shot, it should be there. And the best result, of course, you always get when you combine these three things into one big ball of glump and make it a masterpiece. I'm running out of breath here. I'm so excited talking about this because Casey did this into a sponsored video without realizing how much impact he probably had with that thing if people just realized it, that these are the three things to make a really good video for YouTube. So that's the video for today. Remember to thumbs up, remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon. I'll be seeing you in the next one.